Here we are back in the sandbox, and I'm going to show you in this video one of my favorite things, and I'm going to show you how you can use Gravity Forms to create a simple contact form in just about a minute. So we've already got Gravity Forms installed. The license has been entered and all of that other fun stuff. We're just going to create a new form. So let's go ahead and get to that new form page. And this is going to be our simple contact form. And the title and the description, if you choose to enter a description, title is required, of course. If you choose to enter a description, know that it doesn't have to be publicly visible. You can choose whether or not the description is visible later. So we're going to go ahead and create the form, and just to keep me honest here, I'm going to start a timer. Now, as you'll see here, there are several different types of fields that can be used on forms, and I'll go over all of those later. This is going to be my super quick, super fast how to create a simple contact form. Still very easy to follow. So start our timer, and we are going to, I want name, address, email, phone, and we'll leave some room for paragraph. This is going to be our comments or questions field. We're going to make that required. We're going to make email required and put in an email confirmation, and we're going to make name required. Alright, I'm going to save our form. How are we doing for time? 32 seconds. Love it. Let's go to confirmations. For confirmation, instead of just a little text message, we're going to actually send them to a thank you page. Awesome. Notifications. Let's send them. Get an admin notification to me, and it's going to be from, let's do first name and last name, and from their email address. And submit all fields. Perfect. Let's see. Oh, a little over a minute. So still, the basic form is set up. I'm just doing the notifications here. And let's go ahead and add one more notification. This is going to be our user notification. It's going to come from me. From my email address. Thanks for visiting. And we're going to just say, here's the information you sent. We're going to do all submitted fields. Save notification. So now let's go to preview. That's our time. What? 2 minutes, 20 seconds to do. That's what it was. 2 minutes, 21 seconds to create the form, which we actually did in about 32 seconds, and do the notifications and all that stuff. So here's how this is going to work. When somebody fills out the form, they're going to fill out the form. The email confirmation adds a second field here, and this means that this email address and this email address have to match. If you're relying on this form to collect email addresses that you want to be able to communicate with visitors with, the email confirmation is a good choice because we've all done typos and .con instead of .com and things like that. This will just ensure that they entered the correct email address in both. Lovely site. Thanks. A little comment here. Now I made the comment box required. That's what the little red asterisk here means, because I hate when I get submissions from a comment field that are just a name and an email address, and there's no comment, there's no question. Do they want me to contact them? Did they forget to fill it out? Is this a spam bot? You have no way of knowing. So at least if you make the comment field required, they can put something in there and that'll give you some kind of clue as to what kind of information they're looking to get from you. So that is how we created our contact form. It redirected them to here. Perfect, exactly what we wanted them. And the user and myself would both have gotten an email notification about that form submission that was just made. So that is how to create a contact form with WordPress in just about a minute. If you have any other questions or comments, please feel free to leave them below, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks. Bye.